Hi, if your Windows key and your Alt key are switched, this can be a simple fix that I'm going to show you right now. So this happens if you have a special type of keyboard that can switch between Mac and Windows option keys. So a keyboard like this, where you can see that on the option and on the command keys, there are two different symbols. There's the Mac symbol and then there's the Microsoft Windows symbol. You need to see what set of buttons controls what switches these keys. So it might be a simple 2-key push that switches from one mode to the other mode. Not all keyboards have this, but the keyboards that do are probably experiencing this problem because this is not possible on a normal standard keyboard. So check your keyboards, check your manuals, and figure out which button combinations you have to press in order to revert the settings. Good luck.